Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to pay for YouTube TV directly on your iPhone. Short upbeat intro music / animation Rome Tech logo. Alright, so you're ready to cut the cord and enjoy YouTube TV, but you're not sure how to handle the payment on your iPhone? Don't worry, it's actually pretty straightforward. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps of subscribing and managing your YouTube TV subscription using your Apple ID. We'll cover everything from the initial sign-up to managing your payment methods and understanding subscription details. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get started. Screen recording of iPhone. First, make sure you have the YouTube TV app installed on your iPhone. If you don't, head over to the App Store and download it. Once it's installed, open the YouTube TV app. Focus on the YouTube TV app icon and opening the app. If you're a new user, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Go ahead and do that. If you already have an account, just make sure you're logged in. Show the sign-in process briefly. Now, if you are not already subscribed, YouTube TV will usually prompt you with a try-it-free offer, followed by information on the monthly subscription cost. If prompted, show the try-it-free screen briefly. This subscription is linked to your Apple ID, meaning you'll be billed through your Apple account. To proceed, tap on Start Free Trial, or the equivalent option if the trial period has expired.
Astérisque astérisque, tap the relevant button on screen recording, astérisque astérisque.
You may need to confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. This is just a security measure to ensure it's really you. Show the Face ID / Touch ID confirmation screen, but obscure any personal information.
Astérisque astérisque.
And that's it. You've officially subscribed to YouTube TV through your iPhone.
Astérisque astérisque, brief célébration animation, visual Q, astérisque astérisque.
Now, to manage your subscription, you don't actually do it within the YouTube TV app. You'll need to go into your iPhone settings. Navigate to iPhone settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on your name at the very top. This is your Apple ID section. Tap on Apple ID at the top of the Settings app. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Tap on the Subscriptions option. Here, you'll see a list of all your active and expired subscriptions associated with your Apple ID. Show the Subscriptions page. Find YouTube TV in the list. Highlight YouTube TV in the list of subscriptions.
Tap on YouTube TV.
Tap on the YouTube TV subscription. On this page, you can see the details of your subscription, including the renewal date, the price, and your payment method. Briefly show the subscription details page.
Astérisque astérisque.
From here, you can also cancel your subscription, change your payment method, or even choose a different subscription plan if available. Point out the Cancel Subscription button.
Astérisque astérisque.
To change your payment method, you would typically go back to the main Apple ID page in Settings and then tap Payment and Shipping. From there you can add, remove, or change your payment options. Briefly show the navigation to Payment and Shipping. Just remember that if you cancel, you'll still have access to YouTube TV until the end of your current billing cycle. And that's all there is to it. Paying for and managing your YouTube TV subscription on your iPhone is super easy. Transition back to presenter. So there you have it. Hopefully, this video helped clarify how to pay for YouTube TV on your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Rome Tech for more awesome tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. Outro music / animation with Rome Tech logo and social media links.